Yo mlichotoa ngapi ngapi? Tatu.
That remains a proposal which I will discuss with the Secretary Teacher Service Commission for consideration. In fact, an apprenticeship arrangement will work best in terms of providing an immediate solution, where those who are teaching us untrained teachers can over time be upgraded to be permanent and pensionable teachers and upgraded through the normal system of education during the holidays. That way we shall boost the enrollment of teachers in schools, because I'm told there are a number of schools that are seriously understaffed. The signs are good, because I'm informed that even the students who are joining this university in September, 60% of them are enrolled in education. So once they graduate, and there are very many opportunities across this region, it will be a straightforward employment opportunity for them.
Right now we have about 390 students who are enrolled in education, and hopefully next year in September we'll have more. Well, we have been going to high schools, we have been talking to stakeholders, we've been talking to the county government so that they can sensitize the community so that students can enroll in teaching profession. Well, I think Dr. Mercy was here from COOPS, and she was able to go around and see what we are doing, and we have a police post here, and I'm sure most students are aware of what's going on in Garissa University.